Wakati mu kutikkira abayizi ku ssettendekero wa Rwenzori International, Minisita omubeezi w'ebyenjigiriza ebya waggulu John Krizesto Muyingo nga yakiikiridde Minisita w'ebyenjigiriza mu ggwanga Janet Kataha Museveni akuutidde abatiikiddwa okubeera abayiiya yonna gye banaagenda. Ono abasabye okutondawo emirimu gye bayambeko okwebezaawo n'okufunamu ensimbi.
Make personal efforts to be entrepreneurs yourselves by adding value to the existing opportunities. Be resourceful and keep your candle burning. The world is constantly evolving, and your ability to adopt, innovate, and learn more will be your greatest asset.
Muyingo asabye abantu b'e Rwenzori okusiima n'okwebaza ebirungi ebikoleddwa gavumenti ya NRM mu ggwanga.
I was able to see a lot that has been done in this area. A lot. Very good tarmac roads.
Nga twolekera akalulu ka bonna aka 2026, Muyingo akuutidde abantu b'e Rwenzori okubeera abakkakkamu nga balonda abakulembeze baabwe.
My dear daughters and sons, graduates, and your parents and everybody, politics should not divide us up. Politics should not force you to go and box or hit at somebody just because of politics. During this period, let's to be more Ugandans, more friendly.
Ye akulira ssettendekero wa Rwenzori International, Dr. Nathaniel Walemba asabye gavumenti okukendeeza ku misolo egibinikibwa amatendekero aga waggulu kiyambeko okutumbula ebyenjigiriza.
His Excellency the President indicated that hotels should not be charged certain taxes. We think that private universities should be treated the same way because of the role they play.
The President, His Excellency the President, and I would love that people join me to thank him for the 50 scholarships that he gives to this kingdom. We have now accepted to lay down the tools and weapons of force, using force to look for what you want, but now we are turning to the pen, to education, in other words.
In the 70s, we never had, actually I think the first graduate from Kasese must have been around 1972, and that means that we were behind in education, either because of the travels going to study from far, or maybe we didn't have enough funds that would educate people. Even there were so many conflicts in this region.